What's up, y'all? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this hairstyle using some straight synthetic hair that I dipped in some hot water to curl into these beautiful bouncy curls that I have going on here. My makeup is super fleek. I'm about to go take some engagement pictures. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this style, please keep watching. We're going to be using Platino's clip-in. This is synthetic hair, as the title suggested. It is 100% human hair touch. So it feels really good, but it's not human hair at all. And it already comes pre-clip-in installed. This is how the hair looks. You're gonna need wrap setting lotion, the jumbo perm rod sets in black, and you're gonna need hot water and a bowl. Let's get started. I'll put a curl on each side. So to hold one side while I do the curl, I am going to tuck one side away. Yes, under my leg. So we're gonna go ahead and put our clip-ins in. Take out our natural hair. Here's the finished results. I ended up doing a twist down the back and brushing my undercut a little bit. And I blended my hair into these curls just by combing it out a bit and twirling it with these curls that already exist. That is it. Thank you all for watching this video to the end. If you found it helpful, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. Thank you as always. Until next time.